Since there are no particular reasons why does this issue appear, there are a few different methods that might help to get rid of it. First, let's try backing up your personal data by creating a new user account using Command Prompt. Right-click on Windows button, select Command Prompt Admin. In Command Prompt environment, enter the given commands, each followed by Enter press. Once this is done, delete the corrupted profile by going to the displayed location on your computer. Now let's restart Windows Update Service. Right-click on Windows button, select Command Prompt Admin. In Command Prompt environment, enter the given commands one by one, each followed by Enter press. After this is done, restart your PC. Now let's try using Recovery Console while holding Shift key pressed. Restart your PC. In Recovery Console, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options, then click on Go to the previous build and follow on-screen instructions to complete the process. For this method, let's perform automatic repair. If your PC crashes or fails to boot 2 times consecutively, Windows 10 will run automatic repair by default during the next startup in an attempt to diagnose and fix your PC. So, press power button on your PC case to start your computer, then press the button again to shut it down. Then repeat the process again and eventually you will be introduced to an automatic repair window. Click on the button and follow on-screen instructions to complete the process. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.